Hi guys, today we're going to be solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube over here. So let's get straight in. The first step into solving this is to solve these 4 centerpieces. And there are no fixed centerpieces, so you have to correctly put the centerpiece in the right place. So it goes blue, green, yellow, white, red and orange. So let's start with the blue. Right, so because none of the other sides are solved and there are no other sides to mess up, I can just solve it as normal. But if I end up with something like this, I can just hold my cube like this and then do algorithm 1, which is on the screen now. I'm going to do it, it's very simple. So I've got the blue side. Now for the green side, so you don't want to mess up the blue side while you're doing this, so you're going to have to follow the steps. So I'm going to hold my cube like this and then do algorithm 1 and hold my cube like this and do algorithm 1 again and do it for the rest. You can do algorithm 1 backwards if you feel that you need. And there we are. Now I'm going to do that for all the sides. If you find that the piece you need is on the back, for example, I need to solve the red side, but the red piece is on the back, then you're going to correctly orientate it like this and then do algorithm 2, which is on the screen now. And I'm going to form that. And there we are. I've solved all the center pieces. Now the next step is to group the edge pieces like this. So I'm going to find something that looks like this with both of these that are the same color and then do algorithm 3, which is on the screen now. And yeah. There we are, we've grouped those edge pieces. This is already done. And if you find yourself in something where these are both the same colors but they are not next to each other, then you're going to do algorithm 4, which is on the screen now. So as to make them next to each other like that, and then you can just do algorithm 3. I'm now going to do that for all the edge pieces. The next step for solving the 4x4 is to solve it just like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, as this is the middle piece, and these the side pieces, and these the corner pieces. Now, that is quite simple if you have watched my video, which I'll have a link in the description, and just up here there will be a card. But there are some things that might occur that cannot happen on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. For example, these 4 things. If you find that you have any of those 4 things, then you have to do algorithm 6, which is on the screen now. Right, so now I'm going to solve it like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, solving the white cross first. I'll be back in just a moment. The last thing that I want to say is that if you cannot solve a yellow cross because one of these 4 edge pairs are upside down, then we perform the algorithm 5, which is on the screen right now. I will now show you a picture of all the algorithms right now. And thanks for watching.